To all. So today 29 December 2020 RRB second day shift 1. Let's discuss the important questions asked in it. So I covered general knowledge, current affairs as well as mathematics and science and biology. So the first one, who is the present prime minister of Japan? It is Yoshihide Suga. So now you have to read the different prime ministers of different countries. They are asking in the questions. Next, who discovered proton, electron, neutron? So they asked one from these. I don't know what is it. So you have to remember these three now. Proton discovered by Goldstein, electron discovered by J.J. Thomson, and neutron discovered by Chadwick. So you remember these three, and you read other related discoveries related to biology. Next, yesterday also there is a question about Indian ranking. Now there is, I think, global hunger index. What is the rank of India? They asked yesterday. And today, human development index. Which country is topped in human development index? So the top country is Norway, and India's rank is 131. So in my everyday videos, I am telling you in detail about India rankings in different index. So you remember that also. In which year Sanchi Stoop recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Site? So this is related to Buddhists. And now in 1989, UNESCO recognized Sanchi Stoop, which is in Madhya Pradesh, as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, next, fifth question, lime water formula. They asked lime water formula. So answer is CaOH2, calcium hydroxide. It is also called as lake lime, calcium hydroxide, CaOH taken twice. So calcium hydroxide is the formula of lime water. You remember this also. Next, where is ICC headquarter located? It is in Dubai. Present chairman is Greg Barclay. So now you have to remember the chairmen are the important persons related to international organizations. Next, who discovered cell? Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. This is from biology. And they may ask you who discovered nucleus. It is Robert Brown. They may ask you who discovered Golgi bodies. It is Camillo Golgi. So you have to remember and read the related topics, who discovered what. Next, aqua regia. What is aqua regia? Aqua regia, it is the combination of HCl and HNO3. HCl means hydrochloric acid, and HNO3 is nothing but nitric acid. So these two will be taken 3:1 ratio, and aqua regia will be formed. So where do we use this aqua regia? To dissolve noble gases, noble metals. Next, what is 39th Ramsar site? Very important, because yesterday also you have seen Ramsar site. They asked you. Today also they asked Ramsar site in the exam. So they asked 39th Ramsar site. Recently in Bihar there is called Kabartal. I told you in my video also, Kabartal, which is in Begusarai district. This is the 39th Ramsar site. Kabartal, Begusarai district of Bihar. So 42nd, very recent. So there are 42 Ramsar sites in India. 42nd Ramsar site is Sokar wetland, which is in Ladakh, and this is the second Ramsar site of Ladakh. So 42nd Ramsar site of India is Sokar wetland in Ladakh. First Ramsar site is Chilka Lake. Next, which acid will be secreted by stomach? So it is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Next, what is the full form of ATP? ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. This asked in the exam. Next, expected question is ADP, adenosine triphosphate. Next, what type of tax is GST? What is GST stands for? Goods and service tax. So it's an indirect tax. Next, Bhutan capital, Thimphu. They asked Bhutan capital. So yesterday I think Azerbaijan capital, Baku. They asked Azerbaijan capital. Now you have to read states and capitals as well as countries and capitals. Next, they asked PMKVY full form. KVY. It stands for Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. I gave one more full form here. PMGSY. PMGSY. Prime Minister Gram Sadak Yojana. Himachal Pradesh Mandi. Mandi in Himachal Pradesh topped Prime Minister Gram Sadak Yojana. You remember this also. Next, Constitution Day. When do we celebrate Constitution Day? 26 November. When Constitution has come into effect? From 1956, 26 November. When it is completed? It is completed on 26 November 1949. So from these three questions, one question will be one question asked in the exam, today's exam. Next, who is RBI governor? He is Shaktikanta Das, 25th person, 25th RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das. Next, Telangana Governor Tamilisai Soundararajan. Next, which radioactive isotope is used in cancer therapy? So to treat cancer patient, which radioactive isotope will be used? It is cobalt 60. Cobalt 60. Cobalt, we write like this, cobalt, COBALT 60. Cobalt 60. Next, there is a question from maths like this. If it is not understand, I will write it again. 25 divided by 5 is equals to 15. 15. Next, 30 by 6 is equals to 20. And they asked 35 by 7 is equals to how much? So if you remember, if you do this calculation, 25, 5 5 ja, 5 5 ja 25, 5 into 5 25, 6 5 ja 30. Now 7 5 ja 35, but 5 into 3, here the first number is divided by 5. Next, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4 20. Next, 5 into 5 you have to do, so answer will be 25. Answer will be 25. Next, Pir Panjal tunnel. They asked about Pir Panjal tunnel. This is also called as Banhilal railway tunnel. Banhilal railway tunnel. It is 11.2 kilometer long. Next, they may ask you Rohtang tunnel. Rohtang tunnel has been renamed to Atal tunnel, which is in Himachal Pradesh, and it is in between Manali to Leh. Next, you read about tunnels also. One more question. Largest freshwater lake in the world. It is Superior Lake. Next, 2020 Filmfare Award. It is Gully Boy. All awards from Filmfare Awards goes to Gully Boy. Best male actor, best female actor, best director, like that. So the movie name is Gully Boy. Next, where is Hundru waterfall located? It is Jharkhand. Now, on which river? Subarnarekha river. On Subarnarekha river, Hundru waterfall located in Jharkhand. Next, final 3 questions I got from today's exam. So in which year Adarsh Sansad Gram Yojana started? In which year Adarsh Sansad Gram Yojana started? It started in 2014, 11th October 2014 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, they asked from computer questions. ENIAC, ENIAC, full form. Electronic Numeric Integrated Automatic Computer. Electronic Numeric Integrated Automatic Computer. This is started in 1943. Now, what is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So I hope these questions asked in the Rrb Ntpc 29 December shift 1 exam. If there is no question, any question which is not belongs to that exam, you treat it as information. That's all for today's. Thank you.